Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how I made this trash robot. So first I created this trash can, this basic cash can, and it's just simple. It has two handles, right here and right here. And then after that I created the main body of the robot. I started by creating the support for the trash can, and then I put the space where the hands go to catch the trash can. I put the bottom part, which is supposed to be where the electronics go. Also, I put these holes for the wires for the wheels. I put here the part where the cameras go. I put here the part where the wires go for the solar panel and the part where the solar panel plate goes. And here you can see that is a arms lock, which is usually used on the arms lock of the bus seat. I put two cameras so I can get two images at the same time. So when the robot see trash, it knows the distance and how far away it is. And here is the solar panel. So from arms locks, it's supposed to turn more than 90 degrees because we're gonna need to remove the trash cans by going up. And then it's supposed to stay right there till we remove the trash can. And after that, we're gonna put it back in place. Here the wires go down to the bottom where the electronics go. And here I put the arm with 5 servo motors. We need it with encoders and the place where the is rotated at because we need precision in the catching trash. Also, I put two wheels with encoders so we can know the speed and how much they spinning. We need this because one turning faster, one slower, so we can turn. And a caster wheel here, so it spins freely, and that's about it. So it catches, it sees first with a camera, it sees trash, for example, then it catches with the hand and then puts it in here. For this to work, stays stationary throughout the day. It just charges from the solar panel. At night, it wakes up, and in Sidewalk, for example, it goes and it takes the trash, it puts it inside its own trash can. Solar panel, it depends if it can recharge the battery that is supposed to be here. At the electronics part, battery is supposed to be here. And if it doesn't fully charge, we can make a system where these robots are put beside a light that is in the sidewalk. The sidewalk light is supposed to also have a solar panel which recharges its own battery. So it has two places from which it gets the energy from to recharge its own battery. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you.